T&T5 page 89, question 5. The group frequency table opposite shows the minutes spent in a shopping complex by a number of people. Part 1. Draw a histogram to illustrate this information. So here's the histogram showing the minutes and showing the number of people. Write down the modal class. It's question 2. So the modal class, as we can see here, lies between the interval 25 to 35. It is the largest one. So the modal is 25 to 35. Part 3. In which interval does the median lie? So the median is the value halfway through the distribution. To find this, we need to find the total number of people. So we have 8, 14, 28, and 20. So we add them together. 8 plus 14 plus 28 plus 20, and that's equal to 70. Halfway, we divide by 2. And that gives us 35. So we need to find where the 35th person lies. So 8 plus 14 is equal to 22, plus 28 is equal to 50. So the 35th person lies in this interval here. So the median lies between the 25 and 35 minute interval. Question 4. Which interval contains exactly 20% of those people? So we have 70 people in total, and we want to find 20% of it, or 1/5. That's equal to 14. So checking our intervals, this interval here has 14. So 15 to 25. Question 5. What is the greatest number of people who could have spent more than 30 minutes in the shopping complex? Question 5. So more than 30 minutes would be here. So we need to include the 28 and the 20. So the greatest number of people is 28 and 20. So that's 48. Question 6. Use the mid-interval values to calculate the mean time spent in the shopping complex correct to the nearest minute. So we use the formula, the sum of the frequency by the variable over the sum of the frequency. The frequency is our number of people, and the variable will be our mid-interval values. So our mid-interval value for 5 and 15 is 10, 15 and 25 is 20, 25 and 35 is 30, 35 and 45 is 40. So this will look something like this. So our mid-interval, 10 multiplied by 8, and then it goes on. So 10 by 8 plus 20 by 14 plus 30 by 28 plus 40 by 20 all over the sum of the frequencies, which is 8 plus 14 plus 28 plus 20. Simplifying it down, we get 80 plus 28 plus 80, 840 plus 800 all over 70, which gives us 2000 over 70. Calculated gives us 28.57. Correct to the nearest minute then is 29 minutes.